In this video, we'll show you how to replace the blade on your GREENWORKS single blade lawnmower. We have featured a 40-volt lawnmower. However, these instructions can be followed for all single blade models with Chevron alignment cutouts. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Before performing maintenance, the power source must be disconnected. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. You will need a wrench to change the blade. Refer to your unit's product page for mounting bolt specifications. Let's get started. Place the unit on its side and ensure that it is secure. For easy fold models, release the handle by pulling up on the two handle holes and fold the handles down. Tilt the unit back so that it rests on the rear brackets. Brace the blade. In this video, we've used a piece of wood. If your unit has a mulch plug, it is helpful to have it removed at this time. Using the wrench, remove the mounting bolt, washer, and the blade. Set the blade bolt and the washer aside for later. Align the cutouts on the blade with the blade mount. When seated properly, the blade should be flat against the fan assembly. Reinstall the washer and blade bolt. Brace the blade with a piece of wood and firmly tighten the bolt using the wrench. Return the unit to the upright position. To learn more about your unit, including assembly, operation, and maintenance, visit the GREENWORKS Tools YouTube channel. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS lawnmower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.